All right, so today I want to introduce to you the Swing Machine. This is a new expansion that is coming with Loop Elements Deluxe when it drops. So I know you guys are going to be excited about it because you've been asking me for swing loops for those songs like Celebrate the King. And you know, with the original version of Loop Elements, we couldn't really swing anything. So I created some swing loops and added it to Loop Elements Deluxe. And this is what they sound like, stuff like this. So it allows you to be able to do stuff like that. You got swing kind of congas, swing shakers, and swing tambourines, or like kind of shuffle type stuff, really. But it's really, really clean and allows you to be able to put together some real nice swing loops. So I'm working on this track here for with some stems and stuff like that for "To Our God" by Judy McAllister. You know, you guys all know that song. So I figured I'd pull up Loop Elements, the Swing Machine. This is a perfect song that has that 4/4 shuffle. So like if I'm using like volume one, I can easily do my claps, to something like this. So, when I pull it up, but when I start trying to use like shakers and, tambourines, they just don't fit. So that's where the swing machine comes in to really make some stuff pop. So what I'm going to do is grab a couple of these swing elements and so on and so forth. Let's see if we can figure out if it sounds good. I know I want that in there. I know I want that in there. That's perfect in and of itself. So let's see what it sounds like with the track. I think it feels really, really good. So let me make a few adjustments to kind of make this feel a little better. So we got the low pass on. Let's cut some of these lows so it doesn't sound so thick. You know what I'm saying? It's mainly for my elements. And then I'll add in a little verb. Let's see how that feels. Now, also, we have the new layer mixer in Loop Elements. So I can kind of play around with this. And get my volumes and stuff right. Maybe I want a little bit more perk. I can turn that up. I think that feels dope. So let's see what it feels like in the track. Let's record it in and see what we got. So, of course, it was a little bit off because of my quantization. But the dope part is I'm only working with like a handful of notes here, so I can easily jump in and quantize these, and then we can just go straight and lock it here and loop it. And boom, now I got that loop. And then I can come over here to volume 1, you know, and grab the 4/4 stuff just to grab my claps. So let's add the claps in there and see what we got. So again, we just bring that in and quantize it, and then loop it on out. And just like that, I have a really nice, thick